quickly. Jump, quickly. Quickly. Hey, quickly.
I mean, this has been a hotspot in the last 3 days of clashes while M23 cement their control of Goma. Mercenaries who surrendered their arms fled into the UN peacekeeping camp, and now they're being removed by M23 to take across the border to Rwanda. If Rwanda wasn't supporting you, could you have taken Goma? Could you have taken Goma without?
That is not true, my sister.
So Rwanda
Nous
hasn't
sommes
been...
une armée du Congolais. Nous sommes des Congolais. Nous nous battons pour une cause juste et noble. Nous sommes des Congolais. Nous ne sommes pas aidés par les Rwandais.
Congolese, but Rwanda's been helping you.
No.
Let's
talk that. Let's talk that.
And that's the last foreign mercenary being handed over by the UN, broken but alive, and being handed over to Rwanda.